And what we're doing this Sunday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., I want to invite you all out to our pre-game Super Bowl open house at 1992 Bandera Drive, Decatur, Georgia, 30032. We'll have refreshments there. Come in, ask questions, walk around and see this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home that's been fully renovated. Is waiting for you. Buyers, if you need to be pre-qualified, we'll have Caliber Homes there to get you pre-qualified on the spot. So come on out, not only celebrate the Super Bowl, but also getting into your new home. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party.